And these where we need to display?
In
Add
tag
system
name.
maintenance. No, add system maintenance.
Mm-hmm.
XML. Okay. So
Prabhat sir, add system XML, we are fetching data, no?
that fetching we need to comment that API. Okay. And you need to call the Fayaz API. He will give you the tags from the XML request, whatever we are uploading. We will upload this request. Okay. And Fayaz will get this value for you. Okay. Again, same value only. Instead of DB, we are getting from the request.
Okay.
Because actually KC sir is telling this header part, it is changing for all the request. Okay. So all the request we are just storing for one request in DB. But if tags are changing means we can't control from the DB. So it's better we are giving control to the user. User will upload the file. Okay. And we can get this header, all the tags. And here FCUBS header, this is node. Okay. Node is something like parent tag. Okay. And these all are child tag. So all the child tag, it will become a node. No, it will become a tag name, and the parent tag, it will become a node. Okay. For all these values, node will be same. This is FCUBS header. Clear?
Clear.
So Fayaz, anything?
Yeah, got it, Prabhat.
Yeah. So this is node and this is tag, and you can see the screen, and then you can also get the idea what we need to display. So here it will come as a FCUBS header, and this is translation screen. I am not talking about this screen. Header will come here. Suppose add system we are adding. Go next. Here suppose I am selecting HTTP and here XML. XML means next we will go see here. Here we need to display only header tags. Okay. So header means FCUBS header will come in node, all the nodes. Okay. Tag will come in tag name. Clear?
Clear.
And how it will come? It will not come while loading that screen. First, like loading that screen, it will take the source system. Then we will give option to file upload. Okay. So he can choose the external system. No. Here you need to remove it. Okay. We told you earlier, right? Note it down.
Yes, sir.
Here source system is not required. We can just give a file upload. He will upload the XML file. Okay. He can upload the XML file, and based on the XML file, based on the Fayaz will give you the response, and then we can display it here on the below. So Fayaz, flow is clear, no?
Yeah.
So
Prabhat sir, source system, every screen I added. I need to remove it in every screen, like inside HTTP.
See why I am telling to remove it. Add system, in the first screen itself we have given the source system. This code is the source system, right?
Yes, code and name.
So we already have the code here, means whatever maintenance for this screen, whatever they are doing for this screen, this code only, right?
Okay.
Suppose we are selecting CSA, so it is applicable for all the like nested form. Like we are going next till submit. This will be our external system source code. Okay. So no need to all the screen we need to display. One time we will display. This will be our external system code.
Okay.
Label also you can give no EXTSys code, external system code. You can give something.
Okay.
And system means okay. System code you can give, okay, because the label is add system means we can give here system code, and here it is system name. Okay. Then it is more clear. So what are the changes for this screen? So wherever you have added for this screen, that drop down we can remove. Okay. And second change is this one you need to remove it. Okay. And this will not load at once. First it will upload the file. Okay. And then you will get a response. If it is like any error means you have to display that error. If no error means you have to display the tag. So tags also in node you have to display this one, this FCUBS header. Okay. And tag name you need to display in nested tags.
Yes, child tags.
Child tags. Okay. Fine. So now we can come to next. Okay, so this will be finished. And here what you need to take care about this variables. Okay, because variables now new variables all are giving a null. So you need to check in math.ext these 4 variables.
Okay.
Incoming XML, incoming ISO, same like outgoing XML and outgoing ISO. Only 4.
Okay.
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 So this is for this is changes for add system.
Add system.
Now come to next screen. So suppose we added the system. Okay. So now come to here rule translation. So here we need to select the external system whatever we are created. Okay. And we can give a protocol operation service then fetch detail. So here also what it will do, this upload will come at first. Okay. And this value, this will not display from the DB. This will again, it will display from the fetch request. But this time what we will display, this will display now this body. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Fayaz, yeah.
Yes, sir.
So Fayaz.
Yeah, yes, Prabhat.
Yes. So you are clear, no? So that earlier screen add system, we need to display this header part, and in the translation screen, we need to display this body part.
Okay.
Got it, Vidya?
Got
and
it.
Now see here. So sometime what it will doing is like, suppose FCUS body is there. Body tag we can ignore, but inside that one, if like anything is coming, or like we can include this one also. So suppose branch number we are displaying as a tag. So what is node for this one? Their node is
Cust account.
FCUBS body or cust account IO. So either we can display both, or we have to display this cust account IO. Okay.
Okay.
So even we are displaying cust account IO, that is also enough.
Okay.
Because by default we will give all the node inside this FCUBS body. Here we are not getting the nested body for now. Okay, if we got in any request we can think, but for now it is okay. FCUBS or header, or like you can directly display. So fair, clear, no? For translation screen we have to give body tags.
Okay, got it.
And that add system we have to display the header tag. Then that body tag they will like node here display, tag name here display, and these two fill that is for user. We no need to worry about that. So clear, Vidya?
Clear, sir.
This is rule translation. Now come to create rule. Create rule, it is fine only.
Save, I'm it is difficult for me to do. I'm facing.
Okay, 1 second. We'll discuss that as well.
Yes, sir.
So here all the screen you need to add loader. Otherwise user will click here and there if it is loading backend. Okay. Why it is like this?
You need to select validation also, Prabhat sir. This one.
Okay. So this one, let's see, at least one should be this field number, whatever come in first. See, suppose this will not load at once. Once he has to select the source system. Okay. And this source system is a drop down, right?
Oh, Prabhat sir, can you go back? Create rule new screen. From new, can you come?
Okay. So new, like you have to, I have to fill the detail, right?
Yes.
Then put validation here, no? Right?
I commented. You just fill source system, destination, and validation. It will display there.
That is fine. But you have to restrict here, okay? If they are not selecting, it should not be navigate. So display valid is destination system also, no?
Okay, okay.
Okay, leave it like destination. But see here, you need to properly align. Okay, they will not accept this one because this is validation system, node and key, object name. If you are displaying 3 means it should 3 validation system.
3 will come, sir. If the validation system are 3, then alignment will be proper. That I need to check.
These things I will ask also. Like if suppose it is 2 only, so 2 only, how they are thinking is, suppose validation system only one they have selected. Okay, and this is like field number, this is node, so these 2 will not come. You got my point?
No, sir.
No. So these 4 are not always fixed, like field number, node, key, object name. Based on the validation, suppose this validation system 2, this is accepting the node, so it will come node. Suppose code 87, this is the object name type, so it will display the object name, but this key will not display there.
Sir, this one now we'll get to know, sir.
How we get to know is like based on the external system maintenance. While doing a maintenance, you are selecting the protocol, right? It is XML HTTP or it is XML DB.
Okay.
Based on that one, you need to first check. So if we are displaying system2 and code 87, so first you need to select their like a type of message. System2, what is type of message? If it is XML, you need to display this. If it is ISO, then you need to display field number. Okay. If it is like XML, then you need to display the node. Same for this validation system also. If it is XML, you need to display XML here. If it is like ISO, you need to display ISO. Like that for all the system, whatever we are displaying here. Okay. So, but this is like we can discuss further, but that is the alignment thing. So what we are doing is here, we are not giving first box. Okay. First system, source system. Source system field, it is the plain text box. Okay, we are not using text box. We are not allowing user to change it. But other system, like all the validation system, all are like drop down. That is correct. Okay. So only this one it will fixed. Why we are? I am telling to fix it. Like suppose this is account number. Okay, and he has changed all the value, and later like he can again change this value. Okay, then it will save the wrong value, right?
Yes, yes. Sir, what I'm doing is if it is drop down also only one value will come. For second, 2 will come. Third, 3 will come. Like that I did. If you want to change, I will make it as input field. Read only.
No. 3, 2, 3. Excuse you. I think you didn't got that flow. 1 second. So suppose this is our 4 system. Okay, this one is like you can think like this is source system. This is validation system. So suppose we have 3 validation system, V1, V2, V3. Okay, and this is source system. Source system is type of XML. Okay, and this validation, it is type of ISO. This is ISO. This is DB, and this is again XML. Suppose. Okay, these 2 fields are common. This validation method and that detail. Okay, so that too I am ignoring. So suppose this is XML. XML in the sense what we have to do is like we can give her input box. So suppose this external source system, it is having a 5 tag maintained. Okay. Apart, this is like what we are displaying here. Here we are displaying XML request body. Okay.
Means node only, no, Prabhat sir?
No, tag now.
Okay.
Tag, no, not node. Node is like parent tag, no. Child tag we have to display, no. XML request. Okay.
Tag name. Okay.
So this is XML. Okay, leave it. You can think like it is XML. Okay. So source system, suppose XML while doing like tag maintenance, suppose it is having translation. Translation they have uploaded one. We are at create rule. Based on the translation. Okay. Suppose this source system having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tags. Okay. Where in the body. Based on translation screen, what we are maintaining? Their header or body?
Translation body.
Body. So that we have to remember. Add system, what we are maintaining? Header. And translation system, what we are maintaining? Their body.
Yes.
So suppose in the body, they are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tags. Okay. Because our source system is XML, so we have to display first this 5 tag from the translation screen what we are saving. Now we have the data in the DB because in the translation screen we already saved. Okay. So we have 5 tag in the 5 tag we will display here. While come to validation system V1. Okay. So it is also like it is maintain the ISO message. Their like message type is ISO, right? So
Prabhat sir, here validation system we did not create it. While creating rule, we are creating validation system. Means we are saving.
No,
How we know this
are,
is this
how,
validation for
yeah,
this one?
I am telling that. One second. So what I am telling is this external system we are suppose like till now till this date, okay, we have 50 system maintaining the system. Okay. And today we are maintaining 51st system. So our source system is 51st system, but this validation system, that earlier 50 system, in that one some system will come. Got my point?
Got. Okay.
We are not maintaining now. From the earlier system maintained, that will come in validation system.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear.
What is where from the source system and destination system also same. It is also coming from the earlier maintained external system. Okay, clear now? So now so suppose this validation system V1, it is maintained it as a ISO earlier. Okay. Okay, Vidya.
Yes, sir. Whatever we maintained earlier, based on that, based on that validation system, we are displaying here.
We are displaying here, and we can check like this V1. It is what type, like what is the protocol for this one? If it is like ISO, we can display the ISO field. If it is XML, we can decide it is a XML system. Okay. If it is DB means we know it is a DB system. That is one. Now like we will come 10 fields are not required and we maintain 120. So
sir, you are not audible.
I am not audible.
Not properly.
Second. Still not audible?
Now it is fine. That time it was not clear, not able to hear
Okay.
properly.
Okay. Okay. So I'm telling again. So this one you got it. Like validation system, how you know this is ISO type. That is also
Hmm.
clear, right?
Yes, yes, clear.
Because earlier itself we have maintained this validation system V1 as a ISO.
Hmm.
How we know? Because of the message protocol. If it is like ISO, either it is 8583 or 9001 or whatever it is, but it is top, it is selected as a TCP and later it is selected as a ISO. Okay.
Mhm.
Based on that one, we get to know it is ISO. And suppose it is maintained as a 120 field. So you can think like XML is only 5. How I can display 120 here, right?
Yeah.
So for that one, what we are doing is like we are creating one drop down here. Okay.
Mm.
In every drop down, we are displaying 120 fields.
128. From 1 to 128. Mm.
1 to 120. Like 128, suppose 128 it is maintained means we can display 128. 120 it is maintained means we can display 120. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Not in only one. This is for all. Okay. How
Okay.
many external system source system tags are there, that many we have to display here.
Mm.
Clear?
Clear. Prabhat sir, if suppose source system is ISO means
Uh,
128 fields I need to display.
yes. So
128
suppose
rows.
now that I will tell you, how we can display. So suppose now source system is our ISO. Okay.
Hmm.
So in the source system side, 120 input box will come.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And
Hmm.
what validation system will come? Validation system will come with this 5 body tags in the drop
Okay.
down.
Hmm.
Clear?
Okay.
For each row. Each row it will come 555.
5. Okay.
And then we can do the translation like for this particular ISO message, like XML message, which ISO field will go to the like in request.
Hmm.
Clear?
Clear.
Same like this validation system also and this V3 also.
Hmm.
Their respective like field. If it is DB means whatever field is required, that many fields it will come in.
Hmm.
V3 is XML means again how many XML tags are maintained, that many come in drop down.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear.
Fayaz, clear no? He is not available.
Yes.
Hmm. So okay.
On Prabhat sir, here XML.
Ah,
See, for example, in rule translation, whatever we upload, FCU UBS body, there are 5 tags.
ah,
So 10 tag means in XML, in create rule, that 10 tags, whatever we stored in rule translation will come to create rule. Cut like that.
ah, I like that one. And same like whatever we maintain in the for this validation system also, at the time of creating that external system, we have maintained some tags, right? Either it is XML type or ISO type, whatever it is type. So that every field it will come in the drop down.
Okay. Okay.
Clear, no?
Clear.
So how source system will come, how validation system will come, how like what should we display in validation system, destination system, and source system. That is clear. And what we need to
Clear.
display in the input box, what we need to display in the
Drop.
drop down, and
Clear.
how many value it will come in the input box, how many value it will come in the drop down. That is also clear, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And how many this validation system will come, that many validation system we are creating at the create rule, whatever like drop down we are selecting multiple system, that many validation system will come. Okay, suppose
Hmm.
here only ISO DB and XML will come means JSON will not come here. Okay, if any JSON system will come means JSON will also come. Got my point? Like that it will keep on increasing. Suppose now we are having only 3 validation system. Okay,
Okay.
tomorrow suppose we have a 4. Fourth one is type of JSON. So that JSON drop down will also come. Got it?
Here one more doubt, Professor.
Yeah, tell
Source
me.
system, simply I will select to system A. For that
Okay.
XML will come. Validation system, V1, V2, V3, V4.
Uh,
Based on source system only, these ISO, DB, XML will come.
no. Why so? At the time of create rule, we have selected, no?
Create rule source system is different for different. No, if I select TCP, oh,
No. Go to that screen, I will tell you.
Prabhat sir, here based on source system will not get records in create rule from DB. From UI level we need to maintain.
No, from DB only you will get, no? See here what are the things you are selecting? Source system, it can be anything, okay?
Okay.
Same system will come in destination also. So then in destination also it will be
Okay.
anything. Validation also same, it can be
Same got.
multiple, but anything.
Mm-hmm.
2, 3, 4. Here only we have to decide. Suppose
Yes.
we are selected all 5. So suppose this code 87, it is type of ISO, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So all the ISO drop down will, all the field, whatever we maintain, everything will come in the drop down. Okay.
Okay.
How many times that record based on the source system. Source system, if it is 5 maintain means we have to display 5 drop down.
Right. Got
Clear? No. Same
it.
like this
Clear.
86. It is like JSON. Okay. 86 JSON means below of 86 we have to display the JSON drop down.
Okay.
Same like this 4, same like 4909. Suppose only one is there. This is also XML, this is also XML. So this XML input box, 5 tags is there, and this external system, suppose there are 10 tags maintained or 5 tags will be maintained. Though all the 5 or 10, it will come in the drop down. Clear? No?
No, clear.
Okay. Anything? Any other query? Fayaz, clear? No?
Yes, Prabhat.
Okay. So this is for how many screen we have completed. We created the add system clear, rule translation clear, create rule is also clear, right?
Yes, sir.
And then come map. Mapping is also same like we are doing for create rule, same for this one also. So we can select here only 2 system. One is source system, one is destination system. Okay. So all the API, whatever it is not working or it is having issue, we have to fix it. Okay. And if you are expecting any data also, that also you need to tell like here I am expecting these data, then we have to fix that as well.
Okay.
I am telling the overall idea what we are trying to achieve. Now like how we are achieving that we need to implement it. We have a screen, how we need our data. So if data like anywhere add system is not coming, so with that we need to give a API. If any system like validation system is not saving, that we need to save it. So like that activity we need to do it now.
Okay.
This is almost correct only. So what I'm telling, this source system it is correct. So here also we will display header or body, request body. Okay. Here also
Body.
here also body will come.
Okay. Only in add system will display header.
Apart from that one, everywhere only body will come.
Okay.
Later, like if they will ask to add header also, we can add on the top. That is different. Okay. But here, like for now, only body we have to display because these value whatever we are giving, we will give for the body. Okay. Header it is like fixed for all the request, one type of request, but body value it will change from the database. So this is correct only, but here also we are clear what is node, what is tag, right? And this field number it is correct only. If suppose both the system are XML only, then again this is also same node tag, here also node tag will come. Got it?
Got it.
It is not always like XML to ISO or ISO to XML. It can be anything. XML to JSON, JSON to XML, XML to ISO, ISO to XML. It is depend on the system protocol. You can check the Source system, what is the protocol? Destination system, what is the protocol?
Sir,
So we
here,
have to.
I will send these 6 to backend. Based on backend response, I need to display, no?
Yeah, backend response you need to display.
Okay. Whether it is ISO or XML, I need to display.
First, before displaying, you need to check their message type. If it is XML type or ISO type. If it is ISO means you get to know ISO field we need to display, right? If it is XML
Yes.
means you know XML tag we need to display. So clear now.
Clear.
So now we can work on one by one like thing, and here like they are expecting the search type of drop down, that is different, like we can do it later. First,
Yes.
like we will integrate and we can achieve like what we discussed. Okay, then we'll move further. And Fayaz, Alok has tell anything about the like this new requirement?
No, new requirement that is hold, I think.
All.
That is on hold. I didn't got any update.
Okay. So what we can do is like Vidya is checking today these screens. Okay. Whatever API it is having issue or anything new this she want, we can provide to her. Okay. And we can try to complete this one.
Okay.
Vidya, fine, no?
Fine, sir. But
Me
lot
and
of things for today, sir.
lots of things. So today we can do like we can try our best to complete. If anything is pending, means we can put it for tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. No? At least we can try for 2.5 screen.
Okay. So
Till
first I'll
create
come from ad system.
Ad system only. Ad system we will fix. In ad system also you have to first check the variable names. Okay, because if variable name it is not fixed means based on the external system you can't able to get the details.
Okay.
Okay, and Fayad, you can check these fields, body and header.
Yeah,
Node
body and header I will write API for.
you can write that one because that is then we can go next. So clear, Vidya? First you
Clear,
need
sir.
to fix the variable name, then we have to like you have to get the details for the XML from the file for the header and body. You have to display that one, and then we can check what are the other things required. And quickly we can either if required means we can connect and fix, or like we can fix in our system and give it to you. Then you can test it. Again issue means again we'll fix and give it to you. Like that we'll do. Okay.
Okay.
So we can disconnect.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Fair.
Okay, thank you.
Bye, sir.